Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today, Sterling and Elysa are gonna be fishing on the creek. This is Camp Olympic Park. Let's get started.
So me and Elysa just saw some trout just chilling. I'm gonna tie on a new like a trout magnet. But we are gonna watch Elysa while I tie on. They're jumping, they're active today. Your chances are very high.
He's coming for it.
Is he?
I just got something.
That's nice.
He's aggressive.
They're actually going for it?
Yeah.
You're gonna catch one then eventually. Ooh. Get it, girl.
I don't know if they like his colors. You got locked in.
I'm tying on, chill.
What types do you have?
Oh, I'm not actually tying on a trout magnet because I think something else will work. But there's a bunch of colors here if you want to look through. We got these little grubs, smart baits. They change color. So hopefully it works.
They keep like looking at it. I'm not feeling it. There's other fish in there too.
Really?
Yeah, they're just darker.
All right, I'm digging in, girl.
He fucking jumped. Saw that?
Yeah.
Just don't scare him away.
I'm gonna go this way a little bit. I think there is scum I just hooked on, which is cool. Oh my God, I got one.
You got one?
Oh my God, look at that.
Is that the same trout? That's a rainbow.
Yeah, it's a rainbow. Wait, hold on. Can you hold my rod, please?
Well, fuck.
I'm sorry.
I'm getting all confused.
This fish is, I need
do
help.
you do?
I need help. Can you hold the rod while I retrieve this fish? I don't want to take him out.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Slimy. Yes. Good job, Sterling.
Come on, buddy. We got the freaking rainbow trout. He's an eater. Oh,
Oh, goodbye.
okay. Well, he's gone.
I'm
That's
so
a
not
W
something. I
fish.
was trying to fix my. Can you hold
I'm
this?
sorry. Freaking grub. Got it. W grub. He low-key fucked up the bait, too. He wanted that shit.
Yeah, but he's not one of the Palomino ones.
He was a keeper, though. He was a keeper size, I think. If I can get another one. Oh! Oh my God, I had another bite. Yeah, you want to tie this on?
Yeah, but
Okay, hold on.
help out.
I'll help. One more. Ooh. Okay. I'll tie it on for you, don't worry.
Thank you. Can I use yours in the meantime?
Of course you can.
You're not filming anymore.
Yes, I am.
Are you?
Yeah, it just goes dark so it doesn't like heat up.
I really want to get this palomino monster.
I know. It seems like the regular rainbows actually like attack it.
Yeah, he attacked.
No, like low key.
What do I do with this? I
Just straight retrieve it, reel it in, and you should catch something. That's all I did, and that thing hammered it. All right, time to tie on another one.
The palomino one's not as aggressive. Oh my fuck.
I don't know. I don't really target trout that much. Would you like the same one I have or a different color?
Different color.
Okay. What color? I have like pinkish purple.
Pinkish purple.
Okay.
Yeah, the palomino ones are not aggressive. Maybe we're not just not using the right thing.
Maybe. Yeah, as I said, I don't target trout.
This doesn't work on a big midge.
I'm not tying on another midge.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. I just tied on a freaking bait for you that you want to use. All right, Elysa. You're ready.
Are you good using that one?
Bruh.
I don't like this, John.
Bruh.
Oh wait, no, I'll use the pink. I do like that color. Look at them, they're right there.
I know. The water's actually quite nice.
What?
Just straight reel it in. I'm gonna go this way a little bit. That looks really good in the water. I've only used this bait like a couple times.
Really good in the water.
Wow.
Get out of here.
Come on, Polynesian. Ugh. They just don't want it.
They don't. They're not interested.
Props to them for being smart, I guess. Oh, shoot. Not Sterling's brightest moment there. Great. Oh my. I got my John hooked. What? Yeah, low-key messed it up. He is big. I'm gonna keep going down here. What? My stuff's back there, hon. I just want to check it out. It looks like this gets deep here. All right, Lisa, can you bring my bag or no? Never mind. Can you? It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's not that bad. Warm. This doesn't look as promising as I thought.
Yeah, just the other spot looks deep.
Yeah, do you want to go to the other spot? We could just, there's like a little place we can walk. Like a trail. You want to walk it? I feel bad dragging you all this way the wrong way.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Slowly map out the area. I'm not seeing any fish over here though. No big ones.
That was a dime. So if they'd hang anywhere, I think they'd hide under like right here.
Under that little canopy thing.
Just like anywhere here would be like a good spot.
Cool how the tree's roots, you can see everything.
Yeah.
There's a little one, but
You see a fish?
yeah, little dumpling.
Another trout.
You think it could be good down there?
Check it out, girl. Let's go. Here, I'll go. I'll tell you if it's good. You don't have to waste your steps. Of course. Maybe. Hold on. Yeah, what do you want? What do you want me to film? What do you want me to film? Is what good? It shows some potential, but I'm not too sure if anything would hang out here just because there's not much. Like,
I'm gonna find these sounds. Ready? Wait. Hold on. Let me get the correct positioning.
You gotta be real quiet on the creek.
made me so uncomfortable watching it.
So guys, how are you enjoying our fishing trip? Pretty good. We got one fish and here's some more. Let's go, boys.
Yeah.
Bro. I mean, we could go deep right there.
Oh, absolutely. I plan on it.
Ooh, he wants it. No, he doesn't.
He did not want that shit, girl.
Well, he was going towards it.
You can also walk in here, Elysa.
You just call me fucking Elysia?
No, I said
Who
Elysa.
the fuck is Elysa?
I meant Elysa. Chill.
Who the fuck is that?
Chill. I'm gonna go walk in here. I feel like I might sink if I step here, I'm not gonna lie. This could go either really good or really freaking bad. And it looks like it's gonna be pretty freaking bad. Yeah, Lisa, I'm not walking in here.
Why not?
I'm sinking in the fucking John. Like worse than in the other place. So we could either just walk this.
Yeah, this is like the bad.
Yeah, this is the mud you get fucking stuck in. I don't know how you know what that smells like because you never been around a horse.
You don't even fucking know me, really?
I know you well enough to know that's a lie.
No, it's not. My uncle Brian used to take me horseback riding.
I don't think so.
Yes, I'm shooting this damn water right now.
Always slapping my butt.
Leave it.
I'm falling.
Yeah, show that. See that mud. But you can fish from here though.
Oh, for sure. It's just very shallow.
Just be careful. You gotta be real quiet on the creek.
Okay.
Real hot on the feet.
Quiet on the
Sucks
creek.
that we catch anything.
Oh. Oh.
Something?
Yeah, I just had a bite. Maybe. I don't know. That was a great cast, Elysa.
You're joking, right?
That's 1 in a million chances, girl.
Help.
There is no help. You just gotta tug it. Don't break the rod, but just tug it. You're gonna have to.
I'm not good at this. I'm scared it's gonna fling back at me.
You gotta hold the rod then.
Let me get on this. Oh,
Fuck.
nice. Now it's stuck in the tree.
Ah!
Is that sarcastic?
Yeah? Dude, is that funny?
This is a nice reel. I can like feel it. It's smooth.
So you want to use that one? Oh God, Elysa.
This is really shallow. Maybe we're just not being quiet enough.
I wonder.
Gotta be real quiet.
Yeah, says the girl who's been
Do
the
you want to
loudest.
try going in again?
I'm not going in here. I know I'm gonna fucking never get out. Personally.
Out farther down the trip.
There's not much further left. I walked this.
I used to go fishing when I was a girl. You gotta be real quiet.
Yo! Chill, girl. Oh yeah,
You got something?
I got a 3-pounder.
Really?
3-pounder, Lisa.
It's a fish?
No, it's a tree. 3-pounder. Gotta be real quiet on the creek. There's fish. Don't know how many in here.
Really?
Yeah,
What should we do?
I'm gonna go further down if you want to come. Yeah, but we'll make a path. It's okay. Elysa, you've probably already gotten poison ivy.
What?
Who-
Why the fuck would you say that?
Because it's true. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Sterling,
What? Being honest.
how would you say such a thing?
Because
You
you probably.
wish bad upon me?
I don't wish bad upon nobody.
How do you know?
'Cause- Elysa, look at where we're walking. Are you
Is that
serious?
all poison ivy?
That is.
That? Where?
That is.
Leaves of 3, let them be?
Yes. Leaves of 3 make green tea.
Sterling, this is scary. Is that poison ivy?
Probably.
Sterling!
What? I hate to break it to you, you still got poison ivy.
Are you being sarcastic
No.
or are you being for real?
I'm being for real. Just because you touched the stem doesn't mean
So how did you not get it and I got it?
I'm okay that I got it. I'm gonna go home and take a shower and wash it off.
That's not how that works.
Yes, it is.
Mates.
Are you slow? Have you ever gotten poison ivy
Do you
before?
want me to slap the shit out of you?
No. Like, do you know, like, you can.
This is gonna catch all of our fucking accidents.
Yeah.
That's all this is gonna be.
You-
One fish.
You know, if you get Dawn dish soap, you can wash it off, right?
Okay.
That's poison ivy, by the way.
What?
I'm joking. I just...
Come here, little squishy titties. Don't do that. You're rude. You're rude. Ah, he hits me. He hits me. Help.
Are we serious right now? No way we're doing that.
That's poison ivy for sure. I used to go fishing when I was a little girl, you know. You gotta be real quiet on the creek here.
Yo, you're like low-key wearing me out right now. I can't lie. Ooh, that hurt. Fucking fish. We can try the other spot out then too.
The other what?
The other spot where I got my trout. I don't know what to use anymore. I don't have anything. Probably our best bet is going to be a trout magnet, and I don't have that. I mean, not trout magnet, like my fly rod, and I don't want to get that out of the car. Like, I really don't want to get it out of the car. I really don't want to get it out of the car. We can use these on the midge things if you want. They're really bright. Polynesians will probably go after that.
Are you fishing here? Are you fishing, honey? Yeah. Are you going to be fishing right now? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I just smacked it. I bring my dog to where we are, so we're here like 5 minutes.
Oh, it's, no, you're good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're fine.
Are you positive?
Yep.
Can I pet them?
Do not come back.